Well, hello, junkaholics. So this is the second episode in the 18-foot travel trailer to flat deck junk hauler project. And today we're just going to be removing the rest of the appliances and anything that's important out of there. So first of all, we're going to remove this fridge door. I got the screws on this side taken out, but because of the way the door swings, the screws are hidden. So we'll just take this door off. It's just one bolt. I'll put the screw back in. This one's a Phillips bit. I see a little bit of rust here, so I guess I'll have to sell it a little bit cheaper, maybe 50 bucks, and that should help the new owner pay for a little bit of paint. Come on. Let me guess, this is rotten too. It's time for a joke of the day. So what does tofu and a dildo have in common? They're both meat substitutes. I guess we'll go to the back of the trailer and see what else might be holding it up. There's a panel in the back, so we'll see you around there. Look at that. No rot there. Jesus. Must be blind. All kinds I've missed. It's definitely aluminum. It's so friggin' light. Look at how easy that bends. Sheet aluminum. Then, you know I'm gonna bust this, so might as well take them off. Can't find shit. Well, we'll scrap that later. I gotta find my stupid bit. So here we've got a nice top, some hunks of brass for sure in there. I could find my file. Oh, I know where I used it last. Over here, right? Yes. The top is brass, so that's going to be a good piece of little micro scrapping. So now, just make sure it doesn't look like fact, yes, there is one more thing I've got to disconnect. Grab my channel locks. Got to connect that copper line. My snips are only good for plastic and rubber, so try not to fall over. No, just doesn't want to come off. We'll have to zip that off with the grinder. Zip that off with the grinder. One of these days I'll get myself a cordless grinder, but kind of like the cord.